You're 1 minute in the future. I am 1 minute in the future. Back to the future. Let's go. Let's see. Let's select an emoji for that. I don't really care. Oh, there's so much. Circle. Saturday.
Hello, hello. All right.
I should probably not type that with caps lock. I'm sorry.
Okay. Let's get this stuff going. This music's horrible. Right. Ah, no. Oh no. No, I'm sick of this music. Already a little sick of it. Okay, so I should probably explain what's going on here. It is just a regular working day right now for me. I gotta do some university work and stuff, and I decided, like, why not share it? Why not do a little stream, you know, and see what I can show you guys, and if you guys find it interesting or something, then yeah, maybe there's something cool for you guys to learn here, but we'll see how it goes. So right now I really gotta do just some bug fixes for the project that I'm currently working on, which is called Levis Umbra. I don't know how well the presentation is done on of the stream right now. I don't know. I'd have to check what that looks like for you guys, but I think and then it should basically, you should basically be able to play our alpha with the link in the description if you guys want. And yeah, so we have our HIO page up and running, we have a Discord server and so on, and there's some good stuff in there which should hopefully work for all of you guys, and it looks like alright. So yeah, so I can see this now. Great. What's the name of the course? What course? Oh, my study course. Hello there, Casper Caper. The study course I'm doing is called Breda University. So this is the uni I'm at, Breda University of Applied Sciences. It's all in Dutch, but they have an English version as well. So it's in the Netherlands, new campus, blah blah. But right now we're all studying from home anyway, so I can do the streaming thing on the side, which is quite fun. But the course is called Games, Creative Media and Game Technologies. That's it. And it has like different paths. So we have the visual arts path, we have the programming path, we have the game design and production path, and I'm doing the game design and production path. So yeah, I'm becoming a game designer. We also have level designers, we have narrative designers there, we have producers for the gaming industry, everything basically. And it's really interesting. So we're doing, like, we've done like physical prototyping, team management stuff, lots of like exercises in year 1. I'm in 2nd year now, so we're doing a lot more like level design, narrative design, puzzle design, like figuring out these different aspects of game development. And then the next year we're gonna have one entire year to make a big massive game, so that's gonna be really interesting. And in year 4 we're gonna go on internships, so I'm probably gonna go work at some larger company or something. Hopefully that would be the plan. This is our itch.io page right now for our game. So this is Levis Umbra. This doesn't really, the screenshots aren't really up to date anymore, or at least for the alpha they are, but yeah, there's already a lot happening for this game right now. And yeah, I can show you when I open this project up, but there's a lot of stuff here that I need to do. Mainly I'm just gonna like stream for an hour or something, gotta fix some bugs, and then I'm going to be done for today probably, which is nice because then I can work on some other projects and do some other fun stuff. And yeah, so how are you guys doing? In the best country. Yeah, sure, the Netherlands is a chill country to live in for sure. Need some background music for the stream. What are we gonna put in? Something generic, because I don't really know. I don't really know what you can just put. I just want to play some nice I don't know, I just want to be able to play some tracks somewhere. I can't find them. You're taking an electrotechnic course. Oh wow, okay. You think you're taking a game dev course in the future? If there's one at your uni, yeah, try it out. If it's like a shorter term program, then there's definitely it's a nice chance for you to just take that. Also, my thumbnail for this stream is shit. I apologize already. Let's just put on something chill here, and let's make sure it is Creative Commons. There we go. I'm just gonna hope that it is. Relaxing jazz music for stress relief. Maybe not the right sort of thing. Don't want this Legend of Zelda relaxing music with Sweet Rain. This is weird. Oh, it's a 3-year course. All right. Yeah, that's our course is pretty much the same. Like it's 4 years, but yeah. So far I'm really enjoying it. And if you're into game development and you think it's a possible career choice for you, then go for it, I would say. But it also really depends like how expensive it is, because for us here in the Netherlands at least the course is sort of cheap, so that's nice. But yeah, in America or something you pay a lot more money for those courses. So here I can show you a little bit of what this game is looking like so far. We're gonna have a lot more like marketing stuff coming up as well, or like just public material and so on, talking about the game, hopefully, because I wanna do a little bit more with that. What was that? It's just a cloud flying by or something. So you can see it's the alpha build. We have a nice little menu here. Let's say new game, and then it's gonna start loading. Alrighty. So we're loading the first level of the game now. There we are. So it's very dark right now. This is something that we have to fix. But yeah, basically,
all right, I'm in.
There's a little bit of voice acting, which is nice. Basically, this is supposed to be a stealth action game in a cave with...
Oh, shit. Too close.
Yeah, with stuff breaking down and an evil AI that has taken over the robots. Paul! Man, my
Okay.
man.
Careful now.
Do you like this game? It's great. I am glad you like this game, man. Yeah, there's actually one of our programmers in the chat right now, so if you guys want to chat with a programmer, then hit up Paul. Yes. Such a cool game, isn't it? Got some nice climbing. It's so dark, though. Gotta tell the artists and level designers to kind of fix that. Yup. Maybe at some point I can get some of the developers of this game on the stream. I don't know. If that's something you guys would be interested to see, then let me know, because that would be a possibility. Not sure if the hacking feature is fixed right now, so I'm not gonna try. Well, I'll try it. Let's see. So we have hacking in this game, and it's like it works. It doesn't work. Yeah, right now it's broken, but it allows you to open doors and sort of and that sort of stuff. So that's pretty cool. And yeah, I'm gonna show you a little bit, but then I gotta get to work, and also I don't want to spoil the whole thing for you. So you guys can play this for yourself if you want. Leave some feedback. We have like feedback forms, and we have our own Discord server for the project as well. So if you want to join that, the link is on the itch.io page. So that would be awesome, and then you guys can chat with us there. And all the developers of this game are on there. We're like 12 people, I think.
There they are.
Something about that. So yeah. So we gotta hack this thing. I don't know if this thing works. No, hacking is broken in general. So this is gonna be really hard because I don't think there's a way to actually get through this without hacking. Oh, I almost got spotted here by one of the dudes. I wonder if he's coming. Oh shit, he's coming. Oh no. Oh no, oh no. I can't escape. Oh fuck. Yup. And then I'm dead. And the silence in this game works so well. Yeah, we're gonna get a little bit of ambient music in there for sure. That's still coming together. But oh man, right now we still need to do a lot of balancing because right now we're working a lot on the enemies and stuff, and
All right, I'm in.
trying to get these guys to. Oh no. Okay, great. Just fell down. Trying to get these guys to feel great, but they're a bit too strong right now, so we're gonna have to fix that. There's no escape, exactly. Man, Paul, you made these guys way too hard, dude.
I'm in.
This was great, though.
Oh, shit. Too close.
Yeah, so there's gonna be more sound effects and stuff in there, and let's see if I can hit the speedrun jump.
Careful now.
Ah, no, didn't hit it. This one's a tough jump that you can make, but it's really hard. Let's see. See if I can nail it, and then I gotta get going and fix some of these bugs here.
All right, I'm in.
See what we gotta fix. Boy, oh boy.
Oh, shit. Too close.
Right, so sometimes I can nail this jump.
Okay. Careful now.
Yes. Ah, perfect. You love a game with just sound effects and some simple music at specific points. Yeah. Zelda Breath of the Wild is a good inspiration for this, like that you're mentioning it. Well, we're looking mostly at like the main inspirations have been like Splinter Cell and Tomb Raider. I think it's Splinter Cell or something else. Was it Splinter Cell? I'm getting a bit confused, but yeah. So these has been like the most influential sort of things for this project. Oh, whoa, he spotted me instantly. What the frick? Damn. Oh no, they are not messing around. Oh boy. This is so not balanced anymore. The range on these guys is insane now. But okay, that's it. That's in the alpha, the one on itch.io. It's a lot, well, it's more playable, or at least it's easier to get past the enemies in there. So yeah, that's just something right now with the with our current build, you know, we're just busy with that. We're just figuring things out. So I can show you this. We got our little bug fixing board over here. So we're just gonna do that. So I'm just gonna hop in. We're gonna start fixing some bugs. I have like 45 minutes to do so. So we got the clipping hands. We got you're able to climb on enemies. Well, right now they do so much damage, so I don't think that's actually really an issue anymore. But regardless, we're gonna start fixing that one first. So let's move this one in here. I'm trying to fix this one right now. So actually, before we start with the other stuff, I'm talking to some dude on Discord who might be able to help me out. And also I should put some music in there. So let's see, like we can put the Legend of Zelda background music back on. Let's see. The one with the rain. Ah, that's so calming. My nerves are so calm right now. Great. So there's one thing I gotta check so that I can give the guy some proper info. Right. So let's see, roll animations. I think it's actually there. Okay, so I'm in the wrong blueprint. There's a lot of stuff. Roll override, movement stay, direct all stay. So this blueprint, we didn't make it completely ourselves. We used an asset from the marketplace, which is the advanced locomotion system. And that one's really useful because it has a lot of these features already in place. And then basically we just had to take away features that we didn't want in there, and add some stuff that we wanted sometimes. So here's the roll. There's something off with the roll. I don't exactly remember when it goes into the ragdoll mode, because I removed something there. Oh no, Andrew's stream sniping now. God damn. Yo, did you abandon your stream, man? Is this like it's still on break? I'm still in your stream as well, man. Yeah. Well, using Unreal Engine, not Unity. I've heard Unity C# is more easy than C++. Yeah, Paul answered this pretty well. Designers, yeah, exactly. As designers, we can help out with Unreal because we know Unreal better, and so on. So, and the artists have an easier time as well with Unreal, I feel like. So I can show you some of the cool stuff real quick that we've got going here with the artist doing an art pass. No, we're watching your stream. Hell yeah. Wait, but if I watch your stream, Andrew, then it's still in the I went for a pee thing for me at least. My man. I hope the stream goes well. Thanks, man. Yeah, I hope your stream goes well as well. I'll keep watching it if whoever streams for longer. That's sick. So we got some nice rocky boys in here, but oh boy, this is lag. This is a lag fest right now. That's not great. Gee, oh my god. Yeah. So all of these rocks are super high resolution. Oh, I thought you stream on Twitch. Sometimes I do. Or who are you talking to? Emperor Probably me. I am on Twitch sometimes, but more on YouTube at the moment because I don't really know how to use Twitch. Not great with it. Oh, okay. So the rocks are slowing down everything. Doesn't matter. Let's fix the problems here. So we're going to go to my gym level, which for those of you who don't know what a gym level is, it's basically just a level where I can do whatever I want. I can just mess around with all kinds of stuff. So you can see, like, I built a little playground here. You can like run around, test out the character, like the climbing and so on, test out some of the other stuff with the enemy and all that kind of thing. And that's just what we kind of use to test all the sort of behaviors in the game and make sure they work the way they're supposed to, or if not, then we figure out ways to fix them. So, okay, let's have a look. So what I need to do right now, there's no easy way to make this guy not take any damage, I think. I'm not sure. Or we might have to check out the base character class anyways. Because in our source control, I have to make sure that no one else can edit stuff while I'm editing things. So I'm going to check him out, this base character BP. Now nobody else can make any changes to it, so it's only me who can make changes now. I'm gonna do the same for this guy, because I want to make changes to both of these. And now I'm free to edit whatever I want. Okay, so first thing I want to change is I want to make the character sort of invincible. So we're just gonna give him a very large amount of health, and that way I think we should be able to survive pretty much everything now. Just want to change some few settings in here in Unreal. Make sure this runs full screen whenever I start playing it. There's some stuff is looking kind of weird for you guys. Oh wait, is it cause, oh right, I have to do it this way. Alright, this should work now, should be better. Right.
What are you doing in my swamp?
Yes, 10 out of 10 sound effects in this game as well. Yeah, so this is what the gym level is for, to just kind of mess around. Right, so I can survive a fall like this now, I can survive the enemy attacking me, and I can climb them, and that's the thing we want to fix right now. Is that I'm able to climb them, which I should not be able to.
Whoa, what the hell is that thing?
Because then he gets confused, I get confused, everyone gets confused, it's just not great. We don't want people to get confused here. We want them to have a good time. So where's the mantle system? Let's see, mantle check. That sounds like the thing that we're looking for. But where is it? Oh, this blueprint is so great. Oh, this is the whole this whole thing is the mantle check. Trace settings. So it's tracing by channel, break, trace, get this, blah blah blah, radius half height. So this is what it uses to trace, actors to ignore. We're just gonna make an array here. I'm just gonna tell it. So trace forward to find a wall object the character cannot walk on. Trace down from the first to determine if the hit location is walkable. Has room to stand. Determine mantle type by checking movement mode and mantle height. Okay, so I think either way, we should just basically tell it to ignore I think we need to make this a variable. This is a weird way. We can promote this to a variable. Mantle trace ignore. Wait. Actor. Mantle trace ignore actors. Something like that. There we go. Horrible name. But it's gonna get the job done. And in here we're just to be sure, we're gonna pop this one in here as well. And now, since this is an array, we can pretty much just add an element to it. Oh no, I mean, that cannot actually. Ugh, we cannot set a default value here. That's really weird. Alright. Enemy actor. And this has to be our... What are these guys? These guys are the BP medium AI pawn. Medium AI pawn. So I want those. I want to use those to array. This is so dumb. It's such a weird way of doing this. But you know what? We're just gonna, okay, we're gonna set this array. I'm gonna say add to array. Wait. There we go. I'm gonna add it to the array. This one. Add. There we go. For some reason this way it works, the other way it doesn't. Either way, before we do the sequence, we're gonna just chuck this in here. And then before it does any of the other stuff, it's gonna set basically that this enemy, which should be generally... It should generally work, but if it's not applied, then we might have to check them in the scene or something. What time will I work on my own project? I'm not sure yet. Probably after 5 or something. I don't know if I'll keep the stream going that long. Alright, so we can make this. We can land, he can do some damage. We can still climb. Alright, so this didn't fix anything yet. It's really stupid. I mean, what we could do is we can get actor of class, hello. Get actor of class. Enemy. No. AI. BP base AI, I think that's the one we're using. This is like the yeah, BP base AI. Am I using this one? Is this one saved? Somebody, I swear someone's gonna have this one checked out. Just to make sure I'm not causing any problems by overwriting someone else's work. I gotta check if someone else is actually working on this right now. So we're gonna have to sync it. And then we're gonna get the latest version from source control here, from Perforce. See what all the other people have been working on. Okay, sure. No, yes. Okay. This might have not been the smartest thing to do, because it's going through the entire project now, reloading everything, compiling everything. Alright, while this is going on, I'm gonna grab some water. I'll be right back. No, this doesn't fit. Alright, I'll just leave it like this. Be right back. Oh man, I shouldn't have done it this way. That was stupid. But now I also don't want to just close it down. Alright, let's just keep it running. You're working with how much people, Umbra? 12. Yeah, 12 people, I think. Yeah, how do we get organized? As Paul already said, we don't really... Well, we have our own Discord server, of course. That's why we all chat. We have meetings in which we like discuss things, and where we post like progress and stuff. And then we have a producer whose sole job is to keep everyone organized, so that's what Mr. Producer Boy is doing. Yeah. Mr. Producer has been doing a pretty good job so far, so I can't complain. Like we're pretty on track. We got a lot of this like planning stuff as well. Well, this is my personal stuff, but for example, we got the bug fixing board. And then we got the whole task board. This is what all the tasks are that we need to still work on. And these are some unassigned ones, but all of these are like assigned to various team members. And whenever someone's working on something, they move it over, and so on and so forth. So here are my tasks, for example. There's a lot of stuff I still need to be doing actually, but right now the main focus should be on fixing everything and polishing things up. And then I can get down to actually do more documentation, add more cinematics, and do more cool stuff for the project. I think the music's a bit too loud right now. There we go, calming background music stuff. It's good. That are a lot of people, yeah, for sure. That's a lot of people in our Discord server and on the team. It's interesting. Like, I mean, it's still a pretty small team compared to like in year 3. I think we're gonna have 30 people in one team or something like that. So that's gonna be really big. But for now, this is like one of the biggest teams I've worked on at university so far. And project-wise, this is one of the biggest projects I've worked on for uni as well. So yeah, it's quite cool. I'm enjoying it. We're making some cool stuff, which takes a long time to fix everything and compile. Let's see what I can do with myself during that time. So this is what Paul has to be working on right now. No idea how he's doing with all his stuff. But yeah, should be fine. The enemies are gonna get balanced. They're gonna get less strong later on. So these guys are like these guys are doing something. Maybe I can sneak in, but I'm gonna deafen myself. Sneak in here so that you guys can't hear what they're talking about, just in case. Let's see what's going on. It's really hard because to develop something you need to understand everything that's going on. So in that case, you need to understand 11 different logics and opinions. Yeah, that's true. It's well, that's kind of what the producer's job is to make sure that everyone kind of is on the same page. And yeah, and that everyone kind of knows what's going on, so that the level designers can focus on all the level design, that the game designers can focus on the game design, and so on, and the artists on the art programmers on just programming their certain stuff. Like we have AI programmer, we have actually 2 AI programmers, I think. We have just a menu, we have a UI designer who's been working on all the menus and so on, and yeah, we have all these kinds of... Okay, now it crashed. Cool, that's actually great, because I just want to do it like this. Get latest here, no files updated. Cool. And open the project again. But yeah, as you can see, this is like our level designers right now, and it seems like they're just playtesting a level right now to see if there's any bugs or something. I don't really know what's going on right now, but yeah, there's some pretty cool stuff. So you can see that there's a variety to our levels as well. Also nice, Zelda Twilight music's making you nostalgic. I've actually never really played Zelda games that much, so to me it's just some nice relaxing music, but actually I've heard this song before though, so yeah. And it looks like they haven't gotten... Oh, there, he's dead. Right, that's pretty cool. So our AI has gotten a lot better, or at least they have gotten like just stronger, because you were able to outrun them quite easily for a while, but now you can't anymore really. Like they're just always on your toes, which is kind of nice. Okay, so I'm gonna move this away again, and I'm going to go back in here and see what we can do, how we can fix the climbing on the enemies, because for some reason that wasn't fixed yet.
What are you doing in my swamp?
Right. Oh no, now it looks like there's a lot of stuff broken here. Or is it just my nav mesh which is not here? It looks like there's just no nav mesh. There we go, now it's back. This is some nice music for sure. Okay, so we need to get this guy again. Yeah, and it says I checked it out. That's great. Right, so let's check this here. Movement system, no. I think it's in the mantle system. Mantle start. But there's no other traces here anymore. So what we're doing in mantle check should really be the thing. This is real. If everything checks out, start mantle. Okay. Alright, here we're checking. Here we're saying it can't. Here we're saying it can't. Here we're saying it can't. Right, so this is actually, there's a smarter way of doing this. You can get rid of this entirely. We can basically say hit actor, cast to they have guns, they hit so far. They have like flamethrowers on their arm, so I can show you the design in a bit. But yeah, base AI. So we can do is we can basically After this, we can say return node. I think this should work. Wait, yeah. Wait, is walkable not and blah. So wait. Maybe we can also just say that the enemy itself isn't walkable. That might be even easier. Although I don't think it should be. Can character step on? No. So that's the weird thing. So it shouldn't be possible to actually walk on the enemy here. Maybe on the mesh though? No, let's just turn off walkable everywhere. Can step on, no, can step on, no. This doesn't even have this doesn't even have collision. No. No. Wait, but we're in the medium. We're in the medium AI pawn again. So we gotta go into the base AI as well. So I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna check this out. Checking out the guy. And we're also gonna check this guy out. How you doing, man? So we're gonna check in here. Walkable, no. Walkable, no. 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 Okay, none of these are walkable now. So maybe that already fixes it? I hope so. Oh yeah, so he's using his flamethrower attack. So they have two attacks. They have a ranged flamethrower, which is still like kind of placeholdery, and then they also have this melee attack. Yeah, I can't climb him anymore. Alright, great. So that bug is fixed. Alrighty. Let's see if I actually then, in that case, maybe I can even remove this entire logic here. Maybe I just fixed it by setting them up in the way they're supposed to be set up anyways. Oh no, okay, you can still climb them now. Right, okay, so then the other thing that I did fixed it. Cool. Either way, there we go. So we're going to save this. We're going to save this. And then we're going to submit this. I'm going to say fix. Player can no longer climb on enemies. And we're going to basically... Why is not everything being saved here? Sometimes it just doesn't save everything. It's cool. Thanks, man. So we're going to submit this. There we go. So now everyone else, when they get when they update their project, they should have this. Should have this fix. We can now go in here, go to the bug fixing board here, and you can say awaiting review. Then I'm quickly going to hop in here. Oh wow, look at what they're doing right now. Look at this. There's some art in this. Cool. Should maybe even record a little bit of video, but we got this from the stream, so I can just edit something out of there or something. I don't know. Wait, actually, I think with OBS I can even record while I'm having a stream running. Otherwise, I might just, you guys might. No, it's continuing good. Alright, so I can no longer climb them. There you go. That was it. That was all the video I wanted. Alright, what's the next bug? Let's go. Rolling of an object causes change in direction. Yeah, I have no idea how to fix that one yet, unfortunately. Yeah, because I asked the guy. Well, okay, we're gonna do this one real quick. Clipping hands character. So there was some issue. I didn't know how to replicate it. But I basically, it meant that I removed the entire hand logic. This was in the base character as well? Yeah. Optional hand IK. Wait, so it should be turned on. Standing, crouching, blah 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 blah. Wait, okay, so it should be enabled. I don't know why it wasn't. Oh no.
There they are.
This guy is constantly chasing me around right now. There we go. Okay, so it is there. Right, okay, so the only problem we had, I think, was that you could also... Ah, my mouse sometimes stops working. But there was an issue where, yeah, if you were rolling, she would keep her hands up there, which looks really strange. So this is next. This is the next thing we need to fix. Basically, we need to see movement state, grounded. So there's a way we can check the roll. So let's check the player input graph. How does the roll actually work? Roll event, montage play. This is just a montage that plays on top. Right, so there's actually no way to determine this right now. Interesting, I thought the system would have some sort of way to track when you're rolling or not. But in that case, we're just gonna put a new variable into this guy. Is rolling. So we're gonna have this variable is rolling and set it to true whenever you're rolling. Simply play a root motion montage, and then we're gonna have to check this montage, the roll animation, which is yeah, the system is strange sometimes, but I think in here somewhere, character assets, animation examples, roll. Yeah, oh yeah, there's like various rolls and stuff, which is super weird. But I think in general the roll is 1.5 seconds. 1.5 seconds. 1.5 seconds. 1.5 seconds. Alright. So going back in here. Delay 1.5. Then we can set rolling to be false again. Actually, we can just connect these up like that. So that saves us some nodes. There we go. So this makes sense, right? Whenever we're rolling, we're setting the is rolling variable to be true, then we're going to set it to false again as soon as we're stopping to roll. And we crashed. Great. Oh, the "and we crash" pretty much sums up how I feel in life. I agree, man. Sometimes I feel like that. As well, Blender's really limited in visual programming, but man, the visual programming is incredible. Yeah, visual programming in here in Unreal is really, really nice. You can do everything. Like, we haven't touched C++ at all yet for this project, and we don't have to. I'm pretty sure there's gotta be some sort of variable to check. If we're currently rolling or not. Previous movement, action, rotation, mode, gate, stance. It's so weird. Yeah, no, these are just overlays. Huh. Essential information? Also not. Breakfall? Also not. No. Alright, so we just need the is rolling variable again. Need to put it into like movement system? Huh, makes sense, kind of, I guess. So wherever this roll event is happening, now we actually know. So we want to set is rolling to be true. Let's compile this and let's save it. And set this to true, delay of just 1.5. Then we set rolling to be false. Compile. Save. And then we're going to go to the use hand eye care. We're going to find the reference. This is the easiest way to jump to this, and here we are. And then we want to see switch on stance. So when we're standing, we don't want the hand eye key to take any effect. And then we want to check is rolling has to also be false. If it's true, we want to not have any effect. And there we go. That should fix the bug. Am I programming guy on the project? No, I'm actually not really. I'm game designer or like technical designer. So I'm like in between. I know a bit of how to program stuff, and I've worked a lot with the system, so I was able to help out a lot with the programmers out a lot and so on. But I am mostly the game designer, so I'm supposed to like come up with all the systems and balance them and tweak them. So I worked a lot on the player character, getting him to feel right, the speed, the climbing speed, the speed of the climbing system, all that sort of stuff is what I've been doing. Okay, so let's see here.
What are you doing in my swamp?
So let's go somewhere so we can't actually be detected by the enemies right now. Yeah, so we can crouch. I made this hand eye cave thing as well, that's why I'm fixing it. But yeah, so we have this hand here where when you get close to a certain object, she like touches it. But there used to be an issue where when you roll, the hand sticks to it, but it seems to be fixed now. Yep. Right. Sometimes she has some like her legs sometimes freak out a little bit and cause her to have these crab legs, as I like to call them. It's a bit weird. Yeah, basically putting everything together in harmony. A lot of what I've done is I can show you the documentation stuff that I've made. So most of this, like, I'm usually not a huge fan of documentation, but it's something that's very important. So that basically as a game designer I can give a document to the programmers and then they know exactly what to implement and how to implement stuff and so on. So this is a work in progress document that I've been working on that isn't actually that well iterated on, but this shows like some of the values of the character and how they can be balanced. But the main thing that I wanted to show is this one. It's like the only document I really made for this so far. But here's like what I did, like writing down what inputs the game is going to use for what features. So for the keyboard we're going to have these keys being pressed and whether they are held or whether you press them or whether you double tap them and so on. Same goes for controller and PlayStation. Wrote a little bit of why it's nice to hold a key instead of pressing it, and general conditions and all that kind of stuff. Alrighty, it was nice stopping by. You have to go? Yeah, it was great to see you, man. Emperinator. Thanks for stopping by. I'll probably do this more often, actually, depending on how you guys like this. I want to be more open with the stuff I'm doing at university as well. All the while also working on the other projects that I'm doing and sharing those a bit more. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this. If you guys like this sort of content, and I can do more of it. I don't know how to drink water. But yeah, basically this could be a nice way, you know, when I'm working anyways, I can just like work and have a little chat with you guys. Andrew, are you leaving as well, mate? Or are you saying bye to Emperinator? Cause we're not done yet. We have 2 more minutes before it's 5 and I'm officially done for today with university work. But yeah, I'm going to create a short video, pretty much as evidence that I fixed this bug, and then we're going to see what else we can do. So let's start recording. Right, so that was it. Bug has been fixed. Same thing again. We're going to say move this to awaiting review. I don't know who's gonna review it, if anyone's actually gonna review it. Probably not, because we don't really have the time. We don't really have a proper QA person anyways. But hand IK roll bug fixed. And this one is the climb on enemy bug fixed. Right, so I can just take these two, hop into all my work recordings in here, and I don't actually, actually no, this is fine. I'm quickly gonna post these into the progress section. I don't know if I'm talking in the background of these videos, probably, but oh no, this file's too big. Let's start recording. Right, so that's fixed. So now we're just gonna save everything again and submit it to source. Looks good, my gym level, whatever. Fix. hand no longer sticks to the wall while rolling when crouched. Damn, this stuff is in depth. Let's see what our level designer's up to here. I see. Okay, great. Someone's having fun. I wish I could hear what these guys are talking about, but honestly, let's leave them be and leave them their privacy for now. Alright, Andrew's still on, that's dope. Great to hear. When are you doing the Kabike live? Just to know if I have to update the evil burger logic. Well, technically tomorrow is my usual streaming time. Tomorrow at 7 PM. So, but I'm probably going to actually stream work on Ruth's Journey instead of Tom's Adventures right now, because we have some tight deadlines for Ruth's Journey that we need to hit. So I don't think I will have time this week to work on Tom's Adventures, unfortunately. I'm gonna blend the game engine. Okay. So now there's like one minor bug left that I should be taking care of. Okay, even better. You guys want to see some work on Ruth's Journey? That's cool. So right now, sometimes when you roll off, wait. Is that fixed? What? Didn't happen at all now. Oh, here it happens. Okay. So sometimes she rolls to the side. And it's really random and I have no idea what's causing it. Sometimes it's not happening, sometimes it is. So that's something we gotta fix. Let's see, there was some guy somewhere that mentioned something here, how to fix it. Oh, sweet. I think that what rotates the controller in the air is air rotation, so you could check to see if the state is in air, then stop the turn till after the controller lands, because you're extending from the base character class. There should be a is in air function you can use in place of the movement state. This will tell you if the capsule is off the ground, then you can control this in the air update, which should stop it. Okay. Update in air rotation. Rolling. If that's false, then do. Okay, that makes sense. Who designed this character? You mean the model itself? That's from some of the artists from our school. I think 2 artists, 2 girls worked on this one for a while. I think it's. I'm not sure. I'm not super familiar with the artists, but I think it's like Bo Fogelswang or something, and Kim Horn, something. I don't know. I didn't want to call. They have some cool stuff. Actually, hold on. I can show their art station. Because the character is dope. The character we got is really cool. I think if we look for Levis Umbra, should be able to find something for the game here. There it is. Yes, this is by Bo. So she made that concept in 1.5 weeks to redesign the entire character, which is pretty cool. And yeah, this is the character model, which looks super cool. There you go. Alright, so I need to quickly have a look. But if you're asking who designed the character, the way it's moving around and so on, like the actual game design of the character, then that was me. Yeah, but fair. You're probably wondering about the model, so. Alright, so we can just get movement, action, and then say equals to rolling. Oh, we can get the movement action rolling. Oh, that actually that makes some things a lot easier as well. Alright, let's see this for now. But also, before we go any further, I wanna... my mouse stopped again. My mouse is really shitty, guys. I have no idea why. It's like the cord is just broken or something, but sometimes it just breaks. Nice job, both of you, then. Thank you. I'm glad it works. It looks good and it works well. Well, basically, we don't even have to have the is rolling. We can just get movement. What was it? Movement state equals enum. No, that's not it. I already forgot. Movement action. Movement action equals to rolling. There we go. So this should do the thing, and then in the actual, no, not in the tick graph. Well, in the other graph, in the player input graph. Well, no, also not in here. We can get rid of this entire logic again, and just gonna test this now like that, and see if that fixes things. So the arm is there, arm is not attached. Yeah, so this is basically what we just did, but in a smarter way. So yeah, good thing we found that. Thanks to the guy on Discord for helping me with that. And then the other thing was, what was the other thing? Oh yeah, rolling off a thing. Ah, there we go. See, so now it didn't do a turn anymore. Oh, it still did, but it didn't seem as bad. There, it does it at the end. Okay. Maybe we should check when it's... Yeah, because it does something at the end there. So this is already better. It's already way better, but so we can get rid of this again. But I think we should update the in-air rotation. If... Wait, there's a thing like movement action. There's a thing where we can check if it's on ground or something like that. Grounded, yes. So if movement state is grounded, want another branch here and check if he's grounded. But then that doesn't actually make any sense. Probably because the whole idea of this code, as far as I know, is that this happens while you're in air. So it makes no sense to check if he's on the ground. It's supposed to happen while he's in air. Although it does what it's supposed to. Oh no, this guy's gonna chase. Ah, no, okay. So let's see if any of the other logic is different now. It doesn't seem like there's anything different. Okay, nice. And yeah, the character's not actually turning away anymore. This is perfect, beautiful. Beautiful stuff. Alright, this is it. I think that's fine. Yeah. Oh, great. fixed all the bugs for today. That was effective. Nice. It seems like even the other rotation stuff is not just like, yeah, it still behaves like I expect it to. No, oh my god, he still did some damage to me here. Awesome. Alright, this seems to work. Cool. Oh, this is so great. This bug has been plaguing us forever, so yeah. Gotta go back to work. Alright, Andrew, thanks man. Thanks for dropping by to the stream. Are we still on for later tonight? Should probably like send you a message on Discord. But yeah, just because then we can do some cool stuff later. Some unannounced stuff. Unannounced YouTube projects. Yup, works. Fix. Character no longer turns when rolling of ledges. Submit that. Submit that to Perforce. And move this into progress and move it into review. And we're good. All the bugs. Look at that, guys. I done all my bugs for today. Wow. Fixed all so many other bugs. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Kill plane teleports play is not really my thing. Climbing ledge just gets blocked. Explain that to me. Walls clipping, camera clipping through walls. Oh no, that's one of mine. All right, so let's assign these to myself. But like, I need more explanation from the people that recorded these bugs. So I'm gonna have to trace them down. Lag level, crossing enemy with cart, spline, pipe. Art design, mouse input lag. I have no idea what this one means. So can't really do anything about that one, but yeah, my bugs are fixed. Oh, what is going on? The level design is over here. Look at that. There's some crazy rocks and so on going on. Yo. Cool. There's some cool stuff in here. I'm always impressed when I see what everyone else is doing, because like it's hard to stay up to date with what everyone is really working on, because everyone's just doing stuff and you're just working on your own stuff. So we have these meetings sometimes when we catch up, and you know, every day pretty much, but yeah, that's pretty much, it's really fun to see all that coming together. Okay, so let's have a look. So my work log, fix bugs, this is pretty much done now. Took me 1.5 hours. Gotta link this later. Fixed 3 bugs with the character. Cool. So as you guys can see, there's a lot of documentation that has to be done on the side here as well. That's just something you kind of get better at. Yeah. So I don't really know. I don't really know what I should do next. Does Unreal have an asset logic shader store like Unity? I don't know if I'm saying something wrong. Oh, yeah, Unity has an asset store, but Unreal has pretty much the same thing. A store where you can buy all kinds of assets. It's called a marketplace. Looks like this. Exactly, in Epic they give away a lot of free assets every month. So if you look at this, free marketplace content June 2020, basically if you look over here, this is what they gave away this month. It's like they gave away some magic particle effects, more magic particle effects, some landscape stuff, desert dragons, farm animal pack, low poly city pack, low poly town pack. This is like models. This is actually animated animals, I think. They have some watermill, like an actual environment, a complete environment here. I've never really actually tried that one. And the science laboratory, which looks really, really cool. So every month they give these out for free. Afterwards you have to pay for them again, so you always have to claim them every month. The copyright stuff, yeah, it's completely free to use. That's the thing. Like if you upload something on the marketplace, then anyone is allowed to use it in any project, and even commercially and so on, because that's kind of the rules of the marketplace, is that this is supposed to be for all kinds of projects, commercially or freely usable. And yeah, this one looks kind of dope. And basically what this allows you to do is it allows you to collect all of these assets. Like these are all the assets that I've collected over the months now. All of them free. Like I paid for 1 asset pack on the marketplace so far, I think. But all of the other ones are just completely grabbed from all the free month stuff that they have. It allows me to just basically, whenever I want to start a new project, I can check what kind of asset packs I have, and then throw them together into a simple starter project, and have a good like base for a project to actually start with. If you use them in Blender, I'm not sure. I think that might be stretching it. Yeah, I'm not sure what the actual situation would be in that case, but probably not, as Ampmer Desart is already saying here. So yeah, if you keep them in Unreal, then you're safe, I think. But everything else, you gotta watch out a bit more. So right, this guy just gets stuck because he has no idea how to get to me, but he knows I'm here. Same with this guy. Interesting, it's weird. Uh-oh. Alright, so I can still oh no, I can still kinda outrun them. Well, not really. Oh, but I have a ton of health. Oh, that's something I have to undo before I log off. Before I like sign up for today and just don't do anything anymore, just forget about it. We gotta go in here in our character, and where we have the character health, we gotta set this back to 100, because otherwise people are gonna get confused, like, why am I not dying? Why is the character not dying? Yeah, so just making sure that happens. Change player health back to 100. Cool. I think that would be it for today. I think there's not really anything else that I've planned for today doing here, no. And it's already 5, so it's after 5, so I'm done. Yeah, I wanted to do a bit more documentation, because what we have to do at our school is we have to fill in this learning log is what that's called. It's basically just a big document where we have to write down all the things that we've done for the project, what we've learned from it, what feedback we've gotten from people, what feedback we've given to people. And I'm a bit behind on some of this stuff, so yeah, there's some catching up that I need to do here at some point. I think this might actually be from week 5. I'm not sure. Some of this stuff is out of order now. But yeah, it's pretty chill. It's a pretty good project so far, I think. I definitely appreciate it. I like it. Right, so alright, so it seems like there's some levels that might need to get cut because there's just not enough time for us left to do art pass on all the levels. There's a door. Nice. Dirt might be a bit too much. Yeah, the dirt needs some tweaking, but it's a good start. It's a cool door. I don't know if I actually change anything in these things, so I'm just gonna not save any of it. I'm just gonna check. Gonna get the latest version, gonna give it a playthrough. Gonna do some playtesting now. That should be fun. And you guys can see what this game is all about, what the state of it is at the moment. Would you like to see me work on something different? Thanks for sharing. That's great to hear. Yeah. I have a lot of projects going on at the moment. I have 3 projects on ongoing at the same time. So I'm probably gonna stream more often, I guess, and share work from these various projects. So that there's a bit more variety on my channel, I guess. I'm not sure if I'll keep all the streams live. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. Not entirely sure yet. But yeah, this one is gonna end very soon. Just gonna do some quick play testing, and then I think we should be done for today. And maybe later tonight I'll come back and do some, because I'm gonna work on Bruce's Journey a bit. So I might stream some of that, because there's some few things we need to fix there. But not entirely sure if that will happen. I'm probably also, for these things, I might do it more often on Twitch, and then keep YouTube to like the Tom's Adventure stream, and actually use Twitch for all the other streams. more or something like that, because then I don't know, I just want to make sure that people, when they see my stuff, they feel like, you know, I'm putting out quality stuff and I'm not like just spamming their subscription box, so they click on less of my videos, which is already an issue. But hey, whatever. All right, let's play this. Let's play Levis Umbra. Let's turn off this emotional background music. Oh boy, we don't need this emotional music here. This is Levis Umbra, guys. Yeah, there's this cloud. This cloud is just running around from time to time. Alright, alpha build. Options don't work, credits don't work at the moment. Fine, let's play. New game. Let's see what we got. Look at that beautiful loading screen. That's a short loading screen. It's actually still loading, but the fade happens early. There we are. Still super dark. That's gonna change hopefully soon. Wait. Did something change now with the stuff I added or changed? Looks like it's still fine. Oh. Wait. Yeah, so she's not really rotating anymore unless you hit the ground now. So if I change the camera, usually she would like rotate towards that. I think that's what mainly changed. So now you can do like weird like strafe jumps like that. But usually she would just always turn forward. I think this is actually kind of cool. Like this. I don't know what to think about it. Have to compare it with an older version, I guess. But alright, so you can like crouch or roll through here. There's this tight squeeze.
Alright, I'm in.
A little bit of voice acting going on. You can hear the enemies back there already. It's kind of cool. Let's see if we can make this drop. Yup, and we're safe. Good. So here, look at this. Look at this. Amazing, right? Little Easter egg for you guys. Ah, almost didn't catch on here. Right, so
Shit.
section is still very standard. Should be very basic.
Okay. Careful now.
See, yes, made the jump, but took some damage. So you can see like she's damaged now. I'm gonna assume the hacking still isn't functional, which might cause some issues. Let's see.
Hacker man.
Oh, now it's back.
Of all time.
Ah, oh, that's great. Actually, it got it got fixed. Cool, awesome. ASWSA. Perfect. Look at that. We're making progress everywhere. Everyone's making the bestest progress.
Oh, there they are.
So here are the enemies. Gotta do some sneaky action now. Yeah, I would highly recommend you guys play this yourself, because I'm basically right now gonna spoiler some of the stuff by playing this. But if you wanna play it, you can get it on itch. This might not be good. Ah, alright. I'm just gonna go over here. Feel safer over here. Yeah, so play the alpha on itch and give us some feedback, would be highly appreciated. Right, you turn around, thank you. Now we can oh, I should maybe crouch here. So there's a hacking station that I want to get to. We can roll over here safely. The animation and the interaction are very natural. Thank you. Yeah, we spent quite a bit of time to get like some of the animation, like everything to kind of be natural, but also a lot came from the template that we are using as well. That one was really helpful to get us started. So a lot of the animations are actually just from the default. Oh no, he's walking out here? Whoa, I had no idea. Okay, but this is good. We can just climb up here now. Oh no, they spotted me. Alright. but he can't do anything. Yeah, he lost me. Alright. So we should be able to just roll down here. Roll through. There we go. We're safe. We made it. So let's see.
Alright, that wasn't too hard.
What's behind this door? Oh boy. Whoa, what the fuck? What is that thing? What? I had no idea this was here. Alright, that's cool. It doesn't do anything yet, apparently, but okay, we're blocked off. Right. Sweet, yo, we got this stuff going. But there's nothing else I can do here. Okay, alright. So let's go here, and I think this is... yeah, this is the end of this level. Nice. Nice, let's see if we can... how can we play the second level? Oh no. Oh no, found a bug. Found a bug, oh no. So if you go play, you say load, and then you go back, then it breaks. Alright. And if you say play, you say new game. Then you always go to the first level, so there's no way to actually play the second level right now. Alright. Well, in that case, we can't test any of the other levels. Unless I hop in here and I say open. I am a sneaky guy. And I go into the end level. This is how we developers play the game. There we are. Alright. So that's some cool thing with the console. We can change some things also. I don't know if I can like... no, I don't know. Oh, nah, man. Okay, not like this. Open, and then we go to end level. Yeah, this level's not doing great on performance at the moment. I don't know what is causing that. But a lot of it seems to be coming from the draw thing, yeah. So something is going on that is costing a lot of GPU performance in this level. Oh, it's probably the rocks. Yeah, okay, it's the rocks. Somewhat playable like this. So I guess we'll just play without the lighting. Oh no! Yeah! Woo! Time for some nice bugs. Oh yeah! What happened? I'm sliding now. Ah! Oh my god, we actually... what? That's insane. I managed to save ourselves. And it seems like somehow this rock landed on this cable, this weak ass cable. And the rock is basically staying upright from this cable. Okay. What else? Oh, no, I don't... wait, actually, yes, this might be helpful. Let's see what optimization we can do with this. But I love that I just glitched everything out, slide on one of these rocks, and then recover from it. What a great bug! Insane. Got some of these the best bugs in this game for sure. Yeah, this is taking a while to just fix things. Right now we're not going to... oh, okay, so I gotta be sneaky around this guy. Oh, he's already looking my way. Oh no. Ah, but he doesn't have navigation mesh. Ah, too bad, man. Looks like none of these guys have nav meshes right now. So yeah, there's been some changes to this level, obviously. So this is probably not intended to be the final version right now. So what if we open end level back up too? Yeah, it's a different version. It's an earlier version. So I think there's a jump here that you can make. It's kind of tough though. Nailed it. Nailed it. Not sure these guys actually have nav meshes either, because they don't seem to be walking. Yeah, I don't think they do. Yeah. Does rocks look like the ones from UE5? Yeah, I mean, they have a lot of polys for sure. That's the reason for that is that we have tessellation turned on. So they're basically using like a height map and then throwing that on there. So if you look at this, this is why it's super high res. This is something we need to fine tune a little bit more, so that they actually don't have that high resolution and the poly count isn't so high that it just completely breaks my machine. Alright, and this level doesn't work either. Alright, so we can't really play the last level. Too bad, but in that case, that's it. That's what we got so far. There's some cool stuff, but yeah, what I really encourage you guys to do is to hop onto the link in the description, hop onto our HIO page, and play our alpha demo. And if you want to wait until this game is like final and so on, then it's only going to be like 2 more weeks until we're going to release the final version of this game on HIO as well. So if you want, you can follow our HIO page. I think there's a way to follow it. Yeah, you can follow Team Umbra. I should do this. I should also rate this game 5 stars. What an amazing piece of game. No, I don't know. What an amazing piece of art. There we go. Alright, there you go. So I don't know, if you guys want to check it out, go on HIO, join our Discord server, and chat with us there, or chat with me on my Discord server if you guys just want to hang out there. But you guys probably know that. So that's it for today's stream for now. And I'll see you guys another day. Cheers.